Getting comfortable in your chair and just follow my voice. First, notice where you are in this moment. Look around at your surroundings and notice what you see. Observe the table, chairs, people, walls, and simply notice their qualities, shapes, size, colors. Just noticing without judging. Just seeing and letting go. Now close your eyes and shift your attention to your hearing. What do you hear? Listen close and listen far. Notice if you judge the sounds and just observe those thoughts and let them pass. Notice the quality of sounds, pitch, timbre, volume, just listening and letting go. Now shift your attention to smell. Can you smell anything at all? Do you have feelings or memories attached to what you smell? If so, simply notice this and let go. What is the experience of not smelling like? Now gently bring your attention to your body. What do you notice? How does your body feel? Notice your body making contact with your chair. Shift your attention to one particular spot, like your big toe. See what you notice. Rub your fingers together or touch your arm. What is like? If you notice thoughts or feelings, just being aware of those and allowing their presence without trying to change anything at all. Now, try to bring your attention to your emotional pain. Take a look at it, contact it, without becoming attached to it. Notice where it is, how it feels. Try to describe it. Is it sharp, dull, stabbing? Does it vary or move around? Just notice it. If you start think about how bad the stress is, just notice this thought without trying to change it and bring your attention back to this moment. Just watching the stress as if it's separate from you. Now shift your attention to your thoughts and feelings. What are you thinking right now? What feelings are you having? Remember the mountain meditation and remember that each of these thoughts and feelings is separate from you. You can look at them instead of from them. This is how it is right now in this moment. Bring compassion to your thoughts, your feelings, your emotional pain. Breathe into them. Be open to whatever comes up. Notice it and allow it without trying to change it. Now bring your attention back to your breath, back to the room. And open your eyes when you are ready.